Now, after the Delhi government sent out an SOS to the centre over oxygen supply, breather for some hospitals in the national capital now. Fresh supplies have begun arriving in some hospitals. Delhi's GTB, LNJP, Sanjay Gandhi, Deen Dayal and Gangaram hospitals have now received oxygen supply late at night. Many other hospitals are expecting supply today. To discuss the situation of oxygen availability, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is meeting Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal shortly. Apart from oxygen supplies, the two will be discussing rising COVID cases and deaths. This comes after Delhi government apprised the centre of fast depleting oxygen supply, saying that some of the major hospitals were left with just a few hours of supply. Apart from Delhi, Maharashtra and Rajasthan government too have now asked the centre to provide oxygen supply to the state.
6 साल से क्या किया? 6 साल से सीएम है वो तो बड़ा हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में बात करते थे। वर्ल्ड क्लास हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाया दिल्ली में। 6 साल से उनसे भी तो कोई सवाल पूछिए। सीएम साहब तो आके सब कुछ कह के चले जाते हैं। ये तो बताइए कि 6 साल में कितने हॉस्पिटल बनाए दिल्ली में? पिछले साल से अभी तक कोई तैयारी नहीं रखी गई। सिर्फ सेंटर को ब्लेम कर दिया जी। 550 करोड़ रुपए खर्च किए अपनी आड़ पे। 550 करोड़ अगर जनता के पास जनता की भलाई के लिए जाता ना, तो शायद इतनी महामारी नहीं होती दिल्ली में जो अभी हालत है।
इस बार कोरोना संकट में देश के अनेक हिस्से में ऑक्सीजन की डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ी है। इस विषय पर तेजी से और पूरी संवेदनशीलता के साथ काम किया जा रहा है। केंद्र सरकार, राज्य सरकारें, प्राइवेट सेक्टर सभी की पूरी कोशिश है कि हर जरूरतमंद को ऑक्सीजन मिले। ऑक्सीजन प्रोडक्शन और सप्लाई को बढ़ाने के लिए भी कई स्तरों पर उपाय किए जा रहे हैं। राज्यों में नए ऑक्सीजन प्लांट्स हो, 1 लाख नए सिलेंडर पहुंचाने हो, औद्योगिक इकाइयों में इस्तेमाल हो रही ऑक्सीजन का मेडिकल इस्तेमाल हो, ऑक्सीजन रेल हो, हर प्रयास किया जा रहा है।
Anisha Mathur joining us from LNJP Hospital in Delhi. We also have Abhishek Mishra joining us from Lucknow. Anisha, over to you first. We're looking at crowds right outside several hospital facilities as patients wait for hospital beds. Apart from that, an increasing need for oxygen supply. Even though emergency supplies has been given, that would cater to only the next few hours. Post 4 hours, we might see a serious shortage once again. How is the Delhi government here handling it?
Well, Nabila, I'm right now at the Gangaram Hospital, which is one of the premier private hospitals in the city, and they received about 1 ton of liquid oxygen late last night as an emergency measure, which will now last them till 9 a.m. tomorrow. That is what the chairman of the hospital has told us, that they have enough oxygen supplies for 24 hours, and in the meantime they're going to be requesting the government to send in more supplies. We've also spoken to several other private and government hospitals in the city, which some of them have received emergency oxygen supplies, some of them have purchased cylinders from the open market from private suppliers. And what we are getting to know now is that the prices of oxygen cylinders, of course liquid oxygen that is coming through Inox and from the government contracts, is still at the same price, but prices of the cylinders that are being purchased from private suppliers is shooting up. One of the hospitals has informed us that they have had to pay about almost twice the price of for the large cylinders for oxygen supplies since yesterday, because they needed emergency supplies. This is a very, very worrying situation. Of course, at LNJP, at GTB and several other government hospitals, emergency liquid oxygen supply was sent, and but they are also saying that they have only about 10 to 15 hours worth of oxygen supply that has reached. So Delhi is in a critical situation. Patient load is, of course, increasing rapidly. As of last night at 8 p.m., Delhi had 28,000 fresh cases. We had about 40,000 people in home isolation. At the moment, about an hour ago when we checked the Delhi Corona app, which tracks the number of beds available, there were only 29 ICU beds available in the entire city, and most of about 24 of which were in a children's hospital, which is not open to all patients. So
Right.
that we are facing a very serious shortage of beds, a very serious shortage of oxygen, and the Chief Minister and LG are holding a meeting today as well to look into what can be done next. After what the Prime Minister said yesterday, after what the High Court had ordered yesterday, that there must be emergency oxygen supplies. Industrial use of oxygen needs to be stopped immediately so that oxygen can be diverted for medical use. That is something that the centre had said that they will be looking into. So we'll have to wait and see exactly how this pans out. But most of the big hospitals in the city only have supplies enough to last till late today. Back to you.
Right, Anisha, do stay with us. Let me quickly cut across to Abhishek Mishra joining us from Lucknow. Abhishek, are we looking at oxygen shortage even in Uttar Pradesh? What's the situation there?
Well, certainly, Navina, the situation even here in Uttar Pradesh capital Lucknow is not good. People are coming in big numbers at the station. I'm right now here outside the Murari gas station, where we have seen that people not only from the hospital side but whose own patients are, suffering because of the lack of oxygen are coming here. RRF has been deployed here. Police personnel are there. They're restricting the people and they're saying do not stand here. But if you look at the instructions over here, which is written just outside the plant, it is mentioning that only COVID facility and the supplies only for the COVID patients and hospitals. But on the contrary, there are big complaints over the shortage. The plant, the station administration, they themselves are saying that there is a supply of 600 to 700 cylinders, but the demand has crossed 1,000 to 1,200. I have some of the patients, family members. भाई साहब कहाँ से आए, क्या दिक्कत हो रहा है?
मैं मेठी से आया हूँ। मैंने अपने जीजा जी को एडमिट किया हुआ है।
सिलेंडर मिल पा रहा है?
5 बजे से मैं लाइन में लगा हूँ, अभी तक सिलेंडर नहीं मिला और ट्रक पे लद करके सिलेंडर निकाले जा रहे हैं। हम लोगों को धूप में खड़ा किया गया, अभी तक कोई सिलेंडर नहीं लिया।
सिलेंडर क्यों नहीं मिल पा रहा है?
सिलेंडर सर, मैं 5 बजे सुबह यहाँ आया था, लाइन लगाई, लाइन से तो भगा दिया कि एक सिलेंडर मेरा अंदर है। हमारे घर से फोन आ गया कि मरीज को हॉस्पिटल लेके जाना। मैंने हाथ जोड़ लिया कि हम सिलेंडर दे दिए, हम मरीज को हॉस्पिटल तो ले जाए।
पेशेंट
मेरा भी बहुत क्रिटिकल स्टेज में है पेशेंट, और हमारा सिलेंडर एक हमको लेना है। पिछले 3 घंटे से मैं इंतजार कर रहा हूँ।
क्या बता रहे हैं? नहीं सिलेंडर।
ये सिलेंडर दे ही नहीं रहे हैं। कहाँ पे रखा है? कम से कम दे दे हम लोगों को। ये देखिए कितनी गाड़ियाँ लग रही हैं, हम ही लोगों को सिर्फ नहीं मिल रहा है।
Ravina, the situation is this, that not only the hospital right now are badly in need of the cylinders, but the patients who are in home quarantine, who are getting their self treatment, are badly looking for this oxygen. The supplier are saying that they do not have the enough capacity to give to everyone at the same time. You can see that there is police personnel who are deployed here. People are coming and they are denied that please do not stand here. They will be intimated when the oxygen is available. So certainly we can see that how the situation is getting worse in Uttar Pradesh day by day, that too in capital Lucknow, where the number are alarming, and at the same time oxygen shortage has become a severe problem for the administration in Lucknow. Yes.
Thank you very much, Abhishek, for joining us. But in fact, Abhishek, a little while earlier in Lucknow, took us through what exactly Lucknow is facing, an oxygen shortage even in Lucknow. Abhishek reports from an oxygen filling center in the city. Here's what he found.
Lucknow is facing the unprecedented crisis of oxygen. Oxygen gas cylinder, liquid oxygen gas. I am right now at the industrial area in Lucknow, from where you can just see the people coming here for their kith and kin. They are in hospital. I'm just talking to a few of the people. Did you get the cylinder here at?
Not at all. No, not at all. Because my patient, my father is admitted and he require O2. Hospital raising their hand. We don't have oxygen. Arrange yourself. So we came here to get the cylinder, O2 cylinder, but all of a sudden police came and said कि it is an government order, you will not get a cylinder.
सुबह से लगे हुए 5 बजे से लाइन पे सर, मरीज घर पे पड़ा हुआ है। हमारा 5 बजे से दौड़ रहे हैं, यहाँ से लाठी लेके चार्ज कर रहे हैं। लाइन लगे, नंबर आया तो भगा दिया, सिलेंडर लेके भगा दिया उन्होंने।
किसी भी आप गैस एजेंसी पे चले जाओ ऑक्सीजन लेने के लिए, कहीं नहीं मिल रही है गैस। लोग सुबह 6-6 बजे से लगे हुए हैं सर, और ये ऑक्सीजन को हम घर में जाके बेच नहीं लेंगे या कुछ इस्तेमाल नहीं कर लेंगे, पेशेंट के लिए चाहिए जो मर रहा है।
आपके लोग हॉस्पिटल में ही हैं?
जी सर, हॉस्पिटल में है।
और वहाँ हॉस्पिटल वालों ने भी हाथ खड़े कर दिए।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल गैस है, उनके पास ऑक्सीजन नहीं है।
You can just see the administration coming here, ADM Lucknow. Many top officials are just rushing to this this side for the cylinder. You can just see this. This is the situation here. This is the grim situation because all the top officials are now coming just to meet the demand of this oxygen cylinder. Now hospitals have raised their hand. They are unable to provide the gas cylinder, and this is what the ground situation here in Lucknow. With Amit Gupta, this is Kumar Abhishek in Lucknow for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.